preserving knowledge, securing history. Open up files. BookTEK scanners convert analog documents into digital data, ready for eternal storage or immediate analysis. The BookTEK overhead scanner family is designed for fast, accurate, gentle, and convenient digitization of virtually all types of documents. The unique book cradle processes bound and stapled documents such as books and files, even if they are in poor condition. The flexible book cradle with magnetically coupled plates can be adjusted either to 180 degrees for flat documents or to 120 degrees in a V-shape for maximum protection of books and bound documents. The laser-controlled autofocus recognizes the height profile even when books are only partially open and automatically focuses on each page. The book fold is also precisely measured, and the distortions known from digital cameras are perfectly compensated for. In contrast to systems with digital cameras, a high-resolution CCD line scan camera captures every page in razor-sharp detail and without interpolation. With a resolution of up to 600 dpi, equivalent to a Digicam resolution of around 245 megapixels, even the finest details are captured. Four independently controllable LED light sources provide uniform, glare-free illumination without UV and infrared components. An extended color space and various color profiles ensure precise, true-to-life digitization in compliance with common standards, such as ISO 19264 and FAGI. The integrated live preview camera helps with the optimal positioning of the template. The scanner can be operated intuitively via the Linux-based Scan Wizard on the 21-inch touchscreen. The Scan Wizard can be configured to customer specifications and runs both locally and on external PCs or mobile devices. With configurable templates and user profiles, the scanner can be adapted to any application and any type of user. A large number of direct output channels such as USB, printer, FTP, SMB, email, and cloud save the need for a detour via external computers. For mass digitization, the BookTEK can be operated with the Batch Scan Wizard software for maximum efficiency and security. The world's largest digitization projects of the last decades have been successfully carried out mainly with BookTEK scanners. BookTEK overhead scanners are the first choice for libraries, archives, authorities, offices, notaries, and lawyers, as well as industry, and for anyone looking for an inexpensive and reliable digitization solution. And this solution costs less than you think. Find the right distribution partner for your region on our website. Quality, made in Germany, by Image Access.